So we're headed to Alamere Falls today. It's been rainy this week, so it's going to be the first adventure that we've had in a while. We're starting pretty late, so we'll probably get back after dark. But we brought headlamps and foods and snacks, and so we're ready to go. All right. So it's a good thing Jackie stopped at the rock arrow in the ground, because I would have walked right by it, and that happens to be the way to Alamere Falls. So. So we got to Alamere Falls. It's beautiful. Ate lunch. The waves are great. We are gonna watch the sunset, but looks like we're gonna get washed out with the clouds over here. The wind is a lot less fierce down here, and it's beautiful. So now we're just gonna head back to the car. It was supposed to be like a 2-hour hike out here. It's gonna be less than that, so that's nice. All right, let's head up.